So here's how to change the pin of your Redmi Watch 4. So let's say you suspect someone has seen your pin and you want a different one. All you have to do is swipe up and tap on settings. On the settings page, scroll down to pin, tap on that, and then tap on change pin. Now it says enter pin. So that basically means enter your current pin. So I'm just gonna enter my current pin, and then you should see new pin. So enter the new pin you want to be using from now henceforth, and then you want to enter that new pin again to confirm, and then the pin is going to be set, and from now on the old pin will no longer be working. So let's try that. So the old pin was 1 2 3 4 5 6. It says incorrect, denies me access. I have to use the new pin. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.